There he is. Oh, Grandpa, I need one of these to go home at my house.
Chico, over here. Here she is. Here Chico. There he is. Chico, over here, Chico, over there. Chico, over here. Chico, over here. Ah, look at him over here. Where did you go, Chico? Look at the baby. Over here. Over here.
Dad, where'd you put the bottle of water?
Oh, come on, we're in the middle of something.
That's my question. Where's Chico?
I don't know.
In your bag?
Could be my backpack still, yeah.
Either that or check the fridge in the garage, honey.
Oh, I did. I put it on the table.
We're being recorded.
You need bottled water.
Isaac! Where's Chico? Look at Chico. Look at Chico.
Chico!
Chico!
The refrigerator in the garage.
Here he comes. Get some out of the garage.
Chico, there he is.
Get another one out of the garage.
Chico, over here. Chico, over here. Oh, there he is. Oh, go over there. Chico, over here. Chico, over here. Chico said, I really wish you'd just stop doing this. Chico, over here, Chico. Oh, good doggy. Okay, hey, Chico, over here. Yeah, exactly. After all this, go over here. He's saying, I'm not doing this. I'm not.